All right, so let's take a look at time sync. So I'm on the iPhone here, and I'm going to look at the files that are on this device because time sync local is running right here on the iPhone. It's not running from our FileMaker server. It's running offline. And let's enter some time. So when we got this file, it had some projects and stuff in it. So you can see if the project name is long, the iPhone is going to kind of make it smaller. But let's pick a project and a phase. And we skip tasks because this project doesn't have any. We went right to work types. Let's say that's an hour and a quarter and some notes. Hi there. RE. And submit that. So that's cool. Now you can see review time and sync are lit up because now we have some time to send up. Let's enter some more. Let's enter another project. Let's pick that long one and a phase. And we do have a task here. That's good. Then pick another work type and 3/4 an hour and some more notes. More. And let's mark that one private. Okay, so submit that, and we've got 2 entries. We can review them here, and if I wanted to make a change to one of them, I could click here and change it. But I'm just going to click that home icon and come back to our options, and let's take a look at sync. So now that we have some time, let's upload it to our FileMaker server. So I'm going to click upload and actually click it. There we go. And it's going to connect to our FileMaker server. Okay, so I'm very close to our server. It probably won't be that fast, especially if you're over 3G, but they're all done. We'll click OK. It's going to clean up that connection and bring us back to our little sync screen here. And let's take a look at what that did. So I'm over here on our FileMaker client on my desktop, and let's open up GoSync connector and our hosted database. So this is the database where stuff ends up. You can see we've got some time and projects. It's very simple. And GoSync connector is pointing to this. So if you want to use this, you can, or you can swap out the scripts in GoSync connector and have them point to your own projects, phases, and time file. Or timetable, sorry. But so this is what we got. We got 2 items. They came in here, and let's switch over to time so we can see them come in. I've turned process automatically off, but you could of course turn that on, and let's process these by hand. I'll click them and select process selected items. 2 items were process selected, and there they are, and you can see even that one of them was marked private. So that's stuff going up to FileMaker server. Let's play with some stuff coming down. We had those 4 projects. Let's take this long one. Let's see here, barcode landing. Let's take this one, and let's switch it from active to inactive, and change the name of this project to Fred's project. And the same stuff happens with tasks and work types and stuff, but now that we're back on the iPhone, let's download some new stuff. So let's click download, and it's going to go up to our server and do its magic. It's going to bring down tasks, projects, phases, and work types. Hopefully. Doing its thing here. Okay, good. Got them. It's cleaning up. And we're back. So let's see what we did. We don't have any more time to upload, so let's click the home icon, go back to enter time, and let's make a new project. And you can see that that project, the one we marked inactive, is gone, and Fred's project has shown up. So that's pretty cool. It's bringing information back down. At the risk of being, actually let's delete that time entry, delete. Yes, and let's delete the one we're going to review. Okay, that's good. And I'm going to try and bring down a new version. I may have to change a little script there, but let's try that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up here, I'm going to open up the local file on my FileMaker database as if I were making changes. So let's just make a little change here, and let's just put hi. So I may have changed a script, I may have changed something else, but I've just changed the logo in this, or the layout in this case. So that's done. Let's switch over to under the hood, utilities, and new file prep. And we're going to prep a new copy of this file up to the server. So let's hit prep file and upload. You're about to upload a new copy of the file to so-and-so. I don't think that's right. Let's see. Keep. Okay, build 47 was uploaded. That may have I think that worked. You know, it's always weird when you're not reusing a FileMaker server. Like I'm just running peer-to-peer here. Okay, so we've uploaded a new copy. That's great. We can go back to the main menu of our local file and close it. And let's try and bring that down to the iPhone. So let's go back to check to new version. Excuse me, let me turn off my phone. Let's go back to check to new version and click that. A new version is available. Would you like to install it? I would. Okay, it's installing the new version. And that looks good. It's connected to the server to do this. Brings it down. It's installed build 47. I click OK. It's going to clean up the connection, and we should see that we've got the file with the new layout on it now. And there it is. There's our little hi. So those are the three things that GoSync does. It sends time up to the server, brings projects, tasks, work types, and stuff down from the server, and then can get new copies of the mobile file down to the iPhone without having to use iTunes or anything like that. Pretty psyched. I like this layout. I especially like the way we're kind of working with the tabs here. Making it very easy to move from phases to types, and then back to time. I hope you'll like it as well. Thanks.